These macaroni and cheese poppers are to die for.
Drinks on me, girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me, all eyes on the prize. Money super size, G5 super fly should be.
We are making macaroni fried cheese bites. So this is the frozen macaroni and cheese that was made earlier, the egg batter, and the Planko chips. And there are the ingredients that we used earlier today to season up our macaroni and cheese that was boxed, but we added some Sharpe cheese to it and evaporated milk to give it. It's a little messy. It's good and tense because it's nice and frozen. So we're gonna make a ball, drop it in the flour. See how we just drop it in the flour? Drop it in the egg. Drop it in the Planko. Toss it around. Drop it in the flour. Drop it in the egg. See how it doesn't fall apart? Because it's been frozen for 30 to 45 minutes. You get those Planko chips on it. I'm gonna freeze them one more time so that the breading stays close to it. These are the ones that have been in the freezer, and we are gonna drop them right into the grease and let you see how quickly they fry up to make quick fried mini cheese balls, macaroni and cheese balls. So here we go. These are the ones that were in the freezer. If you test your grease, you want to put some flour in the grease. Add that flour because they are browning. Add that fried beauty. Absolutely decadent. Outstanding job, Gina. Thank you for sharing your recipe with YouTube. Carter's Eats salutes you. Look at this thing. Oh, I wish you. Is it the Planko chip that makes it so good? Comment below if you're gonna try it. Be sure to subscribe to Carter's Eat. Be sure you click the thumbs up and join us next time on Carter's Eat. Oh.
Provide, do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne.